Hello lovelies, hey YouTubers, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. What it do though? If you're an oldie but a goodie, it is always my pleasure to have you here. Welcome back. If you're new, what up though? My name is Amanda and we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, family topics here on this channel. So welcome to those old and new. You're equally welcome here. So today guys, I have a very exciting video for you. It is highly anticipated. I do apologize for the delay, but it is here today. Oh look, that rhymes, baby. Hey. No, but anyway guys, so this unit you see here before, I did an initial review on it. This unit is from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. Please check out that video if you haven't already. I will leave a little card and you can go ahead and check out the video at your earliest convenience. I go into more details on the specs on this particular unit, the style, the texture, the length, price points, etc. If you're interested in those details, please check out that video. This video, however, will be on the famous Wig Makeup Kit. Okay, so this is the Wig Makeup Kit. This is a product from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. It is to be used in conjunction with your peruca. Now, basically, this product here comes with a variety of different shades. I'm going to go ahead and first I want to show you the packaging, okay? Alright, so then it comes in this little thing for extra protection. It also comes in this little Wig Makeup Kit satin bag, which is very cute when you're traveling or if you want to keep it together. You go ahead and you just pop it in with this little guy here. In addition to that, which was really nice, she did go ahead and include 2 Wig Makeup Kits applicators or brushes, if you will. This one is a bit wider, and then this one is, I would imagine, for your edges or just to get in there with a little more detail to go ahead and apply the product to the hair. So this is a additional gift. It was a part of the $49 that this kit cost. Now, just to be fully transparent, I was gifted this Wig Makeup Kit for you to review. Okay, so I just want to be very transparent about that. This was a gift, and thank you, Jane from the Virgin Hair Fantasy, for me to review for you. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get into the details. Here she is. Okay, so now when you open her up, okay, she has all the details up top in conjunction to these colors that you see down here. So I'm going to go ahead and read what I see here. So this is paraben-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. This is a cruelty-free product made in the US of A. It has her website there, thevirginhairfantasy.com, and it goes from medium to dark. Okay, now it also has some directions on here. It says apply generously on the inside of the cap to cover knots. Use angled brushes to define parts with the lighter shade powdered. Okay, so that's good to know. So basically when you're going in with your Wig Makeup Kit, you want to use a lighter color because typically, as we all know, your scalp is typically lighter than your skin tone, right? So there we go. So I think for me, I'm going to go ahead and use the mud. I'm going to try mud. I have been using milk chocolate, but I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit lighter, and we're going to go ahead and try this mud color, which is this color you see right here. Now I am going to take one of the brushes that was sent with this kit, the wider brush, okay, and we're going to begin to apply. Now I do want to come a little closer, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and use my little clip just so we can get a better view of the scalp. See that there, right? Clip her back. We're gonna put her behind our ears, you know what I mean? We still gotta be cute though. We still gotta keep it cute, you know? Yeah, she cute. Okay, so here we go. So this is the color mud. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it right generously to the brush. Let me just make sure you guys are seeing how I'm applying that. Okay, so there is a lot of product here on the brush. As you see, I am going to dust it off a little bit just to not get too much product at once. And now for you to see, here we go, we are applying. Woo! So you can see right away this powder is quite noticeable. Okay, so you got to be careful because you don't want it to be, this might be actually too wide now that I'm in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my personal brushes here just to kind of touch this up a little bit to make it a little bit neater. Okay, so as you see, we're just applying it right along that scalp, baby. Yes, honey. Bring it down into those baby hair areas, okay? Don't forget about that. That is quite important, okay? So as you see, you can see more of her. She's popping out more. The scalp is becoming quite defined. Let's go back here. I do have a mirror here on the side that I'm also going to be looking at as you guys watch me. Right? So you can see instantly, I can see particularly in person. Hopefully it's coming clear on the camera as well. But the powder mud from the Wig Makeup Kit by the Virgin Hair Fantasy, again, retail price is $49.95, and you get a nice selection of 6 different colors from light to dark, from medium to dark, etc. Okay, and you are to apply that directly on the unit, on the part that you would like to show for the day, because you can part this anywhere in the front. And yeah, now the goal is obvious, to make the unit look more realistic, to be able to show scalp that is as similar or as close as possible to your natural skin tone. So you can see from afar, you can see the scalp quite distinctly. It's very clear, it's very noticeable. You saw me apply it. You can basically take one of the brushes that comes with the kit, or your own personal brush, is at your discretion, and just apply the powder ever so carefully to the scalp. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and just kind of like try to get off any powder or any extra product that is on the actual hair, okay, and not on the scalp. Now I think I did a pretty good job. This is one of my first few times working with this kit. Before that, I've never had a product like this, so I was very excited to try it. I highly recommend it. It definitely does make the units look more realistic, more natural. Yeah. Now again, this is the Supergirl, in case I didn't mention that in this video. Again, I have a full initial review on this hair in my previous video, so go ahead and check that out. This is the Wig Makeup Kit, guys. So ladies and gents who wear lace fronts, let me know, do you put products in your wigs? Do you use concealer or foundation or powder? Would you be interested in purchasing something like this to use with your units? Now, it's not, you can use it with any wig. Now, of course, ideally, you should use it with your perucas, because, you know, they were designed in conjunction with each other. However, any lace front unit that you have that has lace can benefit from using this product. I mean, it is a universal product. If you're into wigs, units and things, I highly recommend you purchasing this, just because it will add more variety to your styling. If you're a hairstylist as well, this is great to have into your, in your kit as well, for your clients that wear wigs, when you style wigs or whatever. This is just a great product to have on call, as well as for makeup artists too, you know. Really any art, right? Any art that involves hair or makeup or fashion, you can benefit from having this product, because it will add to the overall aesthetic or visual of the look that you're trying to achieve. Yeah, guys, so chime in down below. Let me know if you would use a product like this. If you have another product similar to this that you would like for me to try or that you recommend, please go ahead and let me know down below. Check out the virginhairfantasy.com. They have bundles, they have perucas, they have mousse, they have eyelashes, they have wig makeup kits. They also have a new vegan line of products that has just launched or is going to be launching very soon. Two Bengal sisters. She also has a lovely hair bonnet that just recently launched, or hasn't launched, but if you bought a peruca, it was you received a free hair bonnet. I love that bonnet. It stays on all night. It does not slip off. It keeps your hair slayed and laid. And she also has a hair wrap or scarf that has been added to her wondrous line of products. So again, thank you, Jane, for giving me the opportunity to try this wig makeup kit. I definitely recommend it to all of you ladies and gents. Yeah, please like this video if you are into hair, wigs, hairstyles, curls, afros, whatever. If you like hair, go ahead and click that like button. Please share this video with any other hair or makeup enthusiasts. Let them know what the tea is. Let them know where they should be shopping for the real tea, you know, for that natural look. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't to my channel. It is a way for me to know that you support me. Please stay tuned Saturday and Sunday, as those are my new upload for my new content days on social media, Facebook, Instagram. Please follow me at niquelychique. Thank you, lovelies. Stay positive, stay fabulous, stay laid and slayed. And until next time, peace.